Everyone, I am from class 4. Today I am here to present you few lines about Earth Day. Earth Day is the day marked for the environment. It is celebrated on 22nd April every year. Its motive is to save Earth. It promotes to the saving of trees. Steps are taken to solve environmental issues. Earth Day, it promotes to keep the earth clean and green. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Purvi Kumari from class 5th. Today about telling few line on Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22 April every year. Earth Day is celebrated to create efforts for the environment. This day is celebrated all around the earth. We should protect the earth from chemical change and pollution. On the day we can plant tree. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Supriya from class 5. Today I tell about 5 line on Earth Day. Earth Day is the day marked date for of the environment. It's come every year. It motivates to save the earth. It's promote to save water. It promote to keep earth clean and green. Thank you.
My name is Anushka Verma from class 8. Today I tell about a few lines on Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22 April every year. It is also called Blue Planet. We should not waste natural resources like coal, water and minerals found on Earth. Around 70% of the surface of the Earth is covered with water. The Earth has three main layers: the crust, mantle and core. Grow trees, save life, save earth. Keep the surroundings clean, make the earth green. Thank you.
I am a class 5 today. Today I tell about 5 line is on Earth. Earth is a planet. It is also called blue planet. It has 3 layers. It is only planet where life can be found. It is spherical in size. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kunal Jani from class 5. Today I am telling Earth Day. Earth is our planet. It is called the blue planet. It is the planet only life where life is possible, It is called the blue planet.
My name is Lakshya Goel. I am from class 4. I want to say few lines for Earth Day. Earth Day is made for environment. It celebrated on 22 April every year. It promotes to saving of trees. Its motive is to save earth. Steps are taken to solve environmental issues. It promotes to keep our earth clean and green. Thank you. Thank you.
Shivarma for class 5th. Today I tell you 4 line Earth Day.
My name is Manas Mandya. I am for class 3rd. It says say few lines on Earth Day. Earth Day is the mark for the environment. It's celebrated on 22 April every year. Its motive to save earth. It promotes to saving of trees.
Of you, my name is Anuja Kumawat. I am from class 4. I am telling the Earth Day. Few lines about the Earth Day. Earth Day is the day marked for the environment. It celebrate on 22nd April in every year. It's motivate to save Earth. It's promote to saving of trees. Steps are taken to solve the environment is